What's up, guys? How you doing? So I want to make this video real quick for you guys so that you can use a vocabulary tracker. And this is a vocabulary tracker that's going to help you to stay organized, right? While you're learning new words, it's going to make it easier for you to review your words and see your progress. And it's going to help you to stay consistent in practice by grouping the words into categories, right? So this is going to be a vocabulary tracker. I've already shared it with a few of my students, and they've told me that they really liked it. So I want to share with you guys. You'll have access to this file on in the show notes on YouTube, and then from there, we're gonna, you can download it, and then you can use it, and you can start using it for your own vocabulary words. Okay. So let's show you. Let me show you how to use this vocabulary tracker. We're gonna put the date in. Right now it's 01/07/2025. I know in your country maybe you have it 07/01, but we're gonna do it like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at a word. Let's look at an easy word. I'm trying to think. Let's do happy. Let's do happy. We're gonna do happy. It's gonna be our first word. And when I say category, what we're gonna put it in? Is it gonna be a noun? Is it gonna be a verb? Happy is an adjective. So we can put adjective. Okay. What is the meaning of happy, guys? Right? Meaning happy is feeling good and feeling pleased, right? Feeling good or pleased. And some of you guys don't even know, I'm not saying all of you guys, but some people don't even know what pleased is, right? So if you go on Google, maybe you can type it in Google and see what's the meaning of happy. And maybe you find a word that you don't know, right? So pleased is feeling good, and pleased is like feeling happy. Okay. Example sentence. Monica feels happy when she sees her hands. Okay. All right. Synonym. What is the meaning of synonym? Synonym is the words that are similar. Think of synonym, similar, right? I think in Spanish is como sinónimo, in Portuguese too. So synonym of happy is joyful. Or another synonym of happy is cheerful. Okay, so we have joyful and cheerful. You can add more. There's more, right? So those are going to be my two. Maybe you can add 2 or 3 for each one. And antonym is the opposite of happy. So the opposite of happy is sad. And then also we can add unhappy, okay, or angry. Right? So we're gonna think of, let's say, for example, let's say por ejemplo, let's say I'm a Portuguese guy. I speak from Brazil. Okay, right? So I'm gonna put my obviously translation is gonna be Portuguese. So I'm gonna put feliz. So let's say you master it, then you can, put the green check mark or something if you want to, or whatever. Type yes that you finished it or that you mastered it. And then just review it again, review it over again. So we're going to do the same here. This word is going to be, let's do journey. Journey, okay? Journey. What is the meaning of journey, guys? So journey is your travel when you're going somewhere. You're taking a route somewhere from one place to another. So that's going to be a noun. And what did I just say? A trip from one place to another. A trip from one place to another. That's the meaning of journey. Example sentence. The journey, remember we try to pronounce the word, a lot of people can pronounce it journey. The journey, like the journey, okay, the journey to the beach took 2 hours. Okay, the journey to the beach took 2 hours. All right, let's go to, I think, synonym antonym is next. Synonym and antonym. Trip is synonym. Expedition is also a synonym. So a lot of people don't know. So if you go on Google and you just find, or ChatGPT, I don't know, you can say, what is the meaning of journey? It's going to tell you what's the meaning, and you can ask for synonyms. They're going to give you a lot of synonyms. Or you can ask Google. It's going to give you trip, expedition, right? It might give you travel, right? So you can add those words to your synonyms, okay? And these are going to be words that maybe you don't know, all right? Antonym of trip is stay. You stay in one place. Stay is an antonym, and also delay be also an antonym. All right, and we're still Brazilian, so the translation would be viagem. Viagem. Okay, and then you mastered it. I don't know my green check mark is, but you can ask the green check mark, okay? Let's do one more. Let's do a little bit one more. Let's do resilience. 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 What resilience is? What is the meaning of resilience? It is the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, and that would be also a noun. The ability to recover from difficulties. Okay, so let's give a sample sentence of resilience. Resilience helped her get through tough times. Her resilience helped her get through tough times. Okay, and the synonym of that is going to be strength. All right, strength is a synonym of resilience. So fragile will be the antonym. And then for Portuguese, it's not important, but resiliência, I think it is something like this. But I know there's like something. I know my Portuguese speakers. I know I'm missing the little e. Relax, tranquilo. All right, and yeah, so you can do it like that. So why is this vocabulary tracker important? I want to review guys with you guys. This vocabulary tracker is important. It's going to keep you guys organized. It's going to keep you guys able to review your words and see your progress. Okay, so it's going to encourage you guys to practice consistently. Um, for me, the most important thing is going to be the synonym and antonym, right? Because you're going to look at words, you're going to add 2 or 3 words, and you're going to see words that you didn't know before, and it's going to help grow your vocabulary. Okay, so instead of just saying Monica feels happy, we could say Monica feels elated, right? Elated is also another synonym of happy. So it doesn't just have to be just happy all the time. You can just improve your vocabulary and use more words. Okay, it's going to help you to, if you're going to prepare for TEFL, IELTS, or just general conversation, you guys are going to be able to speak better and write better. Okay, if you improve your vocabulary. So download this in the show notes. I have it. You can download it, use it. Remember, guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and then also listen to my podcast. I'm going to add my podcast in the show notes as well so that you guys can get consistent English listening in and improve your English. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.